Hey fellow traders! In this video we're gonna take a look at the squeeze break indicator for MT4. You can download this indicator by the link in the description below. To run this indicator, simply drag the squeeze break indicator from the indicator list to your MT4 chart, and please don't forget to click on the loaded imports in the settings window. I also want to recommend you an indicator that shows levels where other retail traders placed their stop-loss orders. The price is very likely to interact with these levels. This can be seen on a historical chart. The best way to use this indicator is to sneak your take profit into such stop-loss clusters. Thus it will be triggered with a higher probability. And if your position is opposite, you can try to avoid placing your stop-loss orders in such a cluster. In this case, decreasing the probability it will be triggered. Simple and brilliant. Try this indicator for free using the link in the description below. Along with stop-loss clusters, you will also get 7 other sentiment indicators. This indicator is designed for trading the strategy first mentioned in the book Mastering the Trade, written by John Carter. The strategy is based on changing volatility of any market. In both the forex and stock markets, stage of trends alternate with stage of flatness. And in order to make money, you need to buy at the beginning of a bullish trend and sell at the beginning of a bearish trend, and hold your position until the trend persists. The squeeze break indicator for MetaTrader 4 will help you to do this. It is displayed in the window below the price chart and consists of the red-green histogram and blue oscillator line. The histogram shows the presence of a trend pretty easily. If there is a trend in the market, the histogram is green. If there is no trend, the histogram is red. The larger the bars in the histogram, the stronger the trend. The blue line shows the direction of the trend. If the blue line is below the zero, the trend is bearish, and if the blue line is above zero, the trend is bullish. So how to trade with the squeeze break indicator? As you can see on the chart, the indicator shows buy and sell signals. When the histogram bar changes color to green and the blue line is above zero and pointing upwards, this is a buy signal. Hold your position as long as the trend is valid and the blue line is above zero. In many cases though, you might not wait until this point and realize that the momentum is over. And if you decide to close the position when the histogram and the blue line makes high, it will be reasonable action to keep your profits. When the histogram changes color to green and the blue line is below zero, it is a sell signal. Hold the position as long as the blue line is below zero and the histogram is green. It is not forbidden to close the position when signs of trend weakening are received. In the indicator settings, we can change Bollinger Bands period and deviation, Keltner channel period and multiplier, as well as momentum period. All these input parameters will help you to adjust the indicator signals. And in the colors tab, we can change the colors and thickness of the indicator lines. Be aware, the squeeze break indicator for MetaTrader doesn't guarantee the best buy and sell signals ever. It tends to lag and sends false signals sometimes. However, you can effectively increase the accuracy of the signals if you consider combining indicator signals with other technical analysis tools. If you combine signals on daily charts with the signals on intraday chart, and focus on sell signals near resistance zone and buy signals near support zones. Moreover, you can download this indicator by the link in the description below. Bye bye.